Imagine a pristine lawn, perfectly maintained without you having to lift a finger. You are sipping your favorite drink on your terrace, the sun is shining, and your garden is breathtakingly beautiful. And yet, thanks to the Navimow i105E Pro with its 100 peripheral wires button, this dream is within reach. If you're interested, feel free to click the link in the description now to learn more about these unique features, see hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers, and order yours at the best price right now. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to discover the best products we select especially for you every day. This mower is perfect for homeowners with medium to complex gardens, seeking an autonomous and intelligent solution to maintain their lawn effortlessly. Ideal for those who want a pristine lawn, even with obstacles and hard-to-reach areas. The moment you set your eyes on the Navimow i105, you realize that it is not just a simple garden gadget. With its sleek design and compact dimensions, weighing 10.9 kilo, this robotic lawnmower is a concentrate of technology and efficiency. Manufactured by Navimow BV, it is designed to meet the highest standards in lawn care. The true magic of the i105E lies in its advanced RTK+Vision technology. Imagine a lawn covered with trees or a garden with narrow pathways. No matter the complexity of the layout, the combination of RTK technology and vision provides stable centimeter-level positioning. Yes, you heard correctly, positioning to the nearest centimeter, even under the densest trees or in the most inaccessible corners of your garden. It is a level of precision and efficiency never seen before in a robotic lawnmower. The i105E goes further with its AI-assisted mapping. Gone are the cumbersome and complicated perimeter wires. With your smartphone, you can easily guide the Navimow to map the visual boundaries of your garden. Thanks to the revolutionary Assist Mapping feature, the mower detects the free edges of your lawn and automatically maps the entire working area. The setup has never been so simple and quick. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of reviews from extremely satisfied customers. Safety and intelligence are also part of the package. The 140-degree field of view camera from Navimow, combined with AI algorithms, detects over 20 common types of obstacles in gardens. Whether it's forgotten toys, gardening tools, or even pets, the Navimow can avoid them with impressive precision, ensuring a high level of safety. If you want to control your mower remotely, the Navimow app is your ally. Not only does it allow you to modify the mowing map, set different mowing schedules and directions, but it also gives you the ability to track the mowing progress in real time and locate your mower in case of theft, thanks to the optional Navimow Access Plus accessory. In just a few clicks, you can download the latest OTA updates to benefit from new features and improvements. The Navimow i105E Pro is not only smart, but it is also robust. Designed to handle slopes of up to 30% and with an IP66 protection level. It withstands the harshest weather conditions. Moreover, its quiet operation at only 58 decibels allows you to enjoy your garden without being disturbed by noise. Think of flawless lawn maintenance with Navimow, following planned mowing patterns that ensure complete and systematic coverage of the grass. And to avoid marks on your lawn, it regularly changes direction after covering 100% of the area. With a cutting width of 18 cm and an adjustable cutting height between 20 and 60 mm, it adapts to your personal preferences for a perfect result. For Quantu, the mower is powered by a lithium-ion battery, offering a mowing autonomy of 60 minutes per charge with a recharge time of only 90 minutes. You will never have to worry about maintaining your lawn again. In terms of after-sales service, Navimow takes pride in customer satisfaction. With a 3-year warranty for the body of the mower and a 2-year warranty for the battery, you can be assured of having a reliable and durable product. In case of questions or issues, the after-sales team will respond within 24 hours, providing unmatched peace of mind. So, don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to order it now at the best price and truly revolutionize your daily life. Now, let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1. RTK+Vision technology. But offering precise positioning to the centimeter, even in difficult places and challenging conditions, such as under trees or in narrow corridors. Advantage number 2, AI-assisted mapping. Simplify setup with virtual boundaries, eliminating the need for perimeter wires. Advantage number 3, advanced obstacle detection. The camera and AI algorithms detect more than 20 types of obstacles, enhancing safety and efficiency. Advantage number 4, intelligent control via the app. It allows for customization and real-time monitoring with OTA updates for new features. Advantage number 5, robustness and adaptability. Resistant to harsh weather conditions with an IP66 protection level and can handle slopes up to 30%. Advantage number 6, quiet operation. With a noise level of only 58 dB, it does not disturb the tranquility of your garden or the neighborhood. Now let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1, dependence on connectivity. Requires a good Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or WiMA 4G connection to fully utilize its smart features. In conclusion, the Navimow i105E is much more than just a simple robotic lawn mower. It is a true intelligent garden assistant that revolutionizes lawn maintenance. Don't miss this opportunity to transform your garden into a space that is always well kept without any effort on your part. Click on the link in the description to order at the best price, learn more, and see the hundreds of satisfied customer reviews who have already adopted the Navimow i105E. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to discover the best products we select especially for you every day. With that, I sincerely thank you for your attention and hope to see you very soon.